In this masterclass, we get into the very essential UX technique that's called service design. Now, service design is an approach to designing services, but for me, it's a lens into what's broken because service design casts a much wider view over an experience, and it goes all the way to behind the scenes, to what the employees are doing, to an operational level view, to the databases and all the systems and processes that are involved in delivering interfaces or experiences or services or data or whatever it is to your customers, to your stakeholders, to your citizens, whoever they are. And so in this masterclass, we're going to talk about how to leverage service design techniques and how to repair broken service journeys. Especially one of the things with COVID that we've realized is there's so much brokenness around. There's so much that can be improved, and COVID has kind of allowed that lens to shine on those areas that really need immediate improvement. And you can see it just as simply as going to the supermarket or ordering food and the breakdowns in those processes under the stress of something like a pandemic offer, I think, this nice learning opportunity and an opportunity to actually address these things in your organization. So in this masterclass, we're going to cover retail experiences, but we'll also go into what it's like to repair homelessness or to deal with government level services and experiences. I hope you can join me on this masterclass of how to leverage service design to improve those broken service journeys.